Winking sad, I am angry. Winking sad, I am angry. Tell the face I am having. For this interesting craft, we need a square sheet. Any color you can take, white is preferable. We will take a square sheet. Then we will fold it into half, making it a triangle. From square, we will make a triangle like this. And with the help of finger, we will sharpen the edges. Then open it. Then on the opposite side, we will make a triangle like this and sharpen the edges. Then we will open it. Now we have got 4 lines like this. Then we will fold it halfway like this into a small triangle, all sides like this. We will fold it and open it after sharpening the edges. We will fold it like this. Okay. Then we will turn around the paper and fold it lengthwise like this. Both sides like this. Open it. Then on the opposite side like this till the center. We'll fold it till the center and sharpen the edges. Okay, I will show you once more. First what we will do, we will fold it into half triangle, open it, then on the opposite side half triangle, then open the paper, make small triangle on all 4 sides till the center, this side also, all the 4 sides, and always make a sharp edge so that we will get a line. Then we will reverse the paper till the center. We will fold it like this, 2 halves, and this side also 2 halves. Now we will keep the paper like this only in the 2 halves, and we will fold the paper like fold like this. Fold like this. This side also you can see it's coming out like this. We will fold from here only like this. We can hold it like this also and fold it like this. Okay, so this is ready. Now I have made 3 smileys like this: sad, winking and angry. Now we will stick it like this. We will stick it, and as it closes the box, we will cut it in the middle. Like this. So it's like this. Then we will fold the papers like this. One layer. And stick our next smiley on this like this. Now our ping pong is ready. Oh, the winking smiley. Then, oh, he's sad. He's sad. And then, very angry one. So, you can make this and have fun. Like this. like this. So if you like this craft, then do make it at home and share this video to your friends and give me a thumbs up, and do hit the bell icon, otherwise I will be angry. So don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon and give me a thumbs up. Okay, see you.